So now we turn on the system. So as you can see, the system is turned on and we will throttle. So the throttle acts like a potentiometer, okay, which is the input of which is fed to the STM32 microcontroller, and based on that the controller will operate the DC motor. The controller will increase the speed, and as the speed increases, the wheel speed increases, and we have a sensor here. It is a IR based sensor which is used to measure the speed, and the measured speed is then displayed on the OLED display using the STM32 controller. So let's increase the throttle. So we have increased it to the maximum, and now let's decrease it gradually. So as you can see, as we decrease the throttle, the speed keeps on decreasing until it reaches 0. So this is how the project works. Thank you.